This is the second video for vapor pressure lowering. In this problem, we have a temperature of 25 degrees. I think I forgot to say in the last video, they have to give you a temperature because of course vapor pressure is temperature dependent. So I have a vapor pressure of pure benzene, so the P0 of benzene is 93.9, and torr is just another unit of pressure. When a non-volatile solvent is dissolved in the benzene, the vapor pressure of benzene is lowered too, so the pressure of the solution, benzene, I can't spell, is 91.5 torr. They want to know what is the mole fraction of the solute, which is B, and the mole fraction of the solvent, which is A. Okay. So the equation for this, you could do it in multiple different ways. You could say that PA is equal to PA not X of A, okay, in which you then plug in 91.5 is equal to a 93.9 times the mole fraction of A, which is benzene. And then 91.5 divided by 93.9 is still the mole fraction of A. So the mole fraction of A is 0.974. And then the mole fraction of B, the solute, is simply 1 minus the 0.974. And that would be 0.026. And there's no units for mole pressure, for mole fraction. Another way that you can do this is you could do it this way, and so this is going to be an equivalence of, and so it doesn't matter which way you do it, okay. You could do it such that the change in pressure is still the pure pressure of A times the mole fraction of B. This one's a little bit longer because I have to find the change in pressure is the pressure of the pure A minus the pressure of A, or benzene. So it would be 93.9 minus 91.5 to give me 1.4, 2.4. I didn't do it this way, so it's going to take me a little bit because I have to put it in my calculator. 93.9 minus 91.5, 2.4 torr. And then the 2.4 is equal to 93.9 times the mole fraction of B. So 2.4 divided by 93.9 is mole fraction of B, or the solute. And so the mole fraction of B is the 0.026, and the mole fraction of A is 1 minus the 0.026 to give me the 0.974. Okay, so you could either do it by blue or green. You do not have to do both. The blue, of course, is a little bit simpler, a little bit easier to get to, but whichever way you remember to do it is fine with me. And I think that's the last slide. Yes, it is. So that is the end of this video.